looking back at step 21, just so that you can see your name and the page number should not appear on the first page. Just remember that we selected the different first page option, so that when you scroll down, you should see your name and the page number on pages 2 and 3. Step 22, if necessary, select MLA 7th edition as the citations and bibliography style. So click on the References tab, and in the Citations and Bibliography section, the style should be default to MLA already for you. Step 23, use the navigation pane to highlight all instances of the uppercase word citation. So click on the View tab, and in the Show section, make sure you place a check in the box next to navigation pane. And once you do, your navigation pane will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. So in all caps, you will need to key in the word citation, and when you do, you will notice that it is highlighted in yellow, and you should see 3 instances as I'm scrolling, and on your screen as well, of the word citation. It would be a good idea to keep the navigation pane open so that you can continue to use it to find the locations where you need to insert citations in steps 24 to 28. Step 24, delete the first instance of citation and the space before it. So I'm just going to click behind the N in citation. I'm just going to backspace, and then we also want to backspace that space that's after manners. So on your Home tab, just to remember, just to see the spacing between the words on your Home tab, in the paragraph section, make sure that the Show Hide button is selected. Once you delete the first instance of citation and the space before it, you will create a new source with the following information. So again, just click back on your References tab if necessary, and in the Citations and Bibliography section, click on Insert Citation and select Add New Source. And when you select Add New Source, you will key in the information in the appropriate boxes in step 24, and once you have it keyed in, you will click OK. So again, your Create Source dialog box should have this information in step 24. I believe I've misspelled the first name, so I'll correct that. So again, once you have this keyed in, click OK. And once you click OK, you should see Webster's last name. And if you don't have the period, if you deleted that period, make sure that you put the period back in. Step 25, we will look at in the next recording.